Question 17 is graph transformations. A lot of people don't like these, but they're easy if you understand them or if you've learned them. This is the graph of cos x here. It's shown for x being between 0 and 360. So it just goes from 0 to 360. Draw the following graphs from 0 to 360. In each case, the graph of y plus cos x is shown to help you. It's really nice when they have the original graph drawn. So if we turn the page, first one is 2 cos x. So what this is cos x, but it's just been multiplied by 2. So all the answers for cos x, so all these answers here have been multiplied by 2. It hasn't gone into the brackets. It's not a funny one. All you're doing, it's outside the bracket, so you're just multiplying each y distance by 2. So instead of having this, you have 2 lots of this. So instead of it being 1, it's going to be 2 lots of it, which is that. Instead of having this distance, don't know what it is, but it's going to be 2 lots of it about here. This distance here, this what is 0, and 2 lots of it is still 0. So here and here will still be there, because the answer is 0, y is 0, and double it is still going to be that. This is minus 1, so it's going to go there. This is 1, it's going to go there. You can see what's happening. It's a stretch along the y-axis. Scale factor 2. Draw it the best you can. Oops. 1 mark. Done. Next one. This one is minus cos x, so you've got your original cos x, and all that's happened is all these answers for y have been minused. So instead of being 1, it's minus 1. Instead of being minus 1, it's 1. Instead of being 0, it's still going to be 0, because minus 0 is still 0. So again, the noughts are fixed here. This one is going to go down here. So when you're not inside a bracket, if you were inside the bracket, you flip it over the x-axis, flip it over the y-axis. But here, minus cos x, you're just getting that graph and minus and all the coordinates. So it's just a reflection. So it goes like that, like that, like that, like that. It's another easy mark. This one here is the same as cos, if you prefer it this way, cos x plus 2. So again, they're not changing the function at all. Cos x, they're not going into the bracket of x. They're just adding 2 onto the answer. So this is the original, and all they're doing to get y is they're adding 2 more on. So this one will go up 2. This one will go up 2, because you're adding 2 onto it. This one goes up 2. This one goes up 2. This one goes up 2. Can't quite work out where it is here. This one goes up 2. So the whole graph just gets translated 2 units up. A bit better than that, hopefully. And that was it. 3 easy marks there. There wasn't any of those difficult ones where they go into the bracket and you have to go the x direction, and it's always the opposite to what you think. So when it's cos x plus 3, you really go backwards 3. None of those ones, but they can crop up. So that's 17.